Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Navien Tankless water heater keeps turning off on its own, it can quickly become a frustrating experience, especially when you're expecting a steady supply of hot water and the system suddenly shuts down. This kind of issue usually points to an underlying problem rather than a random fault, and it can be related to things like water flow, gas supply, ventilation, or internal safety mechanisms built into the unit. Tankless systems are designed to protect themselves, so when something isn't right, they may automatically turn off to prevent damage. The important part is identifying what's causing the shutdown and addressing it correctly instead of repeatedly restarting the unit. In this video, I'll guide you through clear and practical steps to fix this issue and get your water heater running consistently again. Try these. 1. Check that there is sufficient water flow by fully opening the hot water tap. 2. Ensure the gas supply valve is open and providing consistent fuel to the unit. 3. Inspect the air intake and exhaust vents for any blockages or dirt buildup. 4. Reset the water heater using the control panel to clear temporary errors. 5. Verify the temperature settings are correctly adjusted and not set too high. 6. Look for error codes on the display and take action based on the code shown.